We all love a bit of sunshine, right? It's not just good for the soul, it's great for your bones too. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, is super important for our bodies. It helps us absorb calcium, which keeps our bones strong and healthy. Now, while soaking up some sun is a great way to get vitamin D, there are loads of delicious foods that can give you a boost too. Let's be honest, we can't always rely on sunshine, especially if you live in a place where the sun takes a holiday for half the year. And let's not forget about those harmful UV rays. Luckily, you can easily get your daily dose of vitamin D right from your plate. Eating a balanced diet is key to getting enough of this important vitamin. Think of your diet as a football team, and each food group is a player. You need a strong defense, veggies, a powerful offense, carbs, and a star striker, vitamin D, to win the match, good health. So whether you're a sun worshiper or a shade seeker, let's dive into some tasty ways to get your vitamin D fix. One of the best things about getting vitamin D through food is the variety. From breakfast to dinner, there are endless options to sneak this sunshine vitamin into your meals. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are like the superheroes of the vitamin D world, packed with a powerful punch. Toss them on the grill, flake them into salads, or whip up a quick fish stew for a hearty dose of sunshine. Eggs are another fantastic source of vitamin D, especially the yolk. Scramble them up with some spinach and mushrooms for a breakfast of champions, or boil a few for a quick and easy snack. Don't forget about mushrooms. These little guys are like sponges, soaking up vitamin D from the sun. Throw them in stir fries, saute them with garlic and herbs, or stuff them with your favorite fillings for a delicious and nutritious meal. Getting your daily dose of vitamin D doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making small changes to your diet that add up to big results. Start your day with a vitamin D-rich breakfast. Think scrambled eggs with smoked salmon, a mushroom omelet, or a yogurt parfait topped with fortified cereal. Incorporate fatty fish into your meals at least twice a week. Salmon with roasted veggies, tuna salad on whole wheat bread, or a mackerel stir-fry are all delicious and easy options. Snack smart. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, opt for a hard-boiled egg, a handful of almonds, or a glass of fortified milk. These snacks will not only boost your vitamin D levels, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied. Swapping out certain foods for their vitamin D-rich counterparts is a simple yet effective way to boost your intake. It's like upgrading your ticket from economy to first class, same destination but a much more enjoyable journey. Ditch the regular milk and go for fortified alternatives like soy milk, almond milk, or oat milk. They're not only delicious but also packed with extra vitamin D and calcium. Instead of reaching for that white button mushroom, why not try shiitake or chanterelle mushrooms? These varieties not only add a depth of flavor to your dishes but also boast higher vitamin D content. Next time you're at the cheese counter, consider picking up some Swiss cheese. It's not only lower in fat compared to other cheese varieties but also a surprisingly good source of vitamin D. Remember, getting enough vitamin D isn't about obsessing over a single food group. It's about creating a balanced plate where each element works together to nourish your body. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables. They may not be high in vitamin D themselves, but they provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Include lean protein sources like chicken, beans, lentils, and tofu in your diet. They provide essential amino acids for building and repairing tissues, keeping your body strong and resilient. Don't forget about healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. They help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, making sure you get the most out of this sunshine nutrient. So there you have it. Getting your daily dose of vitamin D doesn't have to be a chore. By incorporating a few simple tweaks and delicious foods into your diet, you can easily brighten your days and strengthen your bones. Remember, a healthy and happy you starts with a balanced plate. Embrace the sunshine vitamin and enjoy the many flavors it brings to your table.